Alright YouTube, what is going on? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy. We're back to another video. As you can tell, still at my parents' house. Hopefully I'll be getting back to my apartment soon. Spend some family time here. Hope everyone had a good 4th of July weekend. However, we do have a new shoe unboxing today. So let's just get right into it. But before we get into this unboxing, feel free to hit that like, subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram below. See how I style all my sneakers and outfits. However, I will not be styling these because these are not my size. And actually a women's shoe. And with that, you could probably guess we are unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Women's High OG tie-dye. Now, I did hit on these on sneakers. They came out last Monday. They came out the same day as LeBron 7. And before, like, everyone says, oh, you, like, because a lot of people get butthurt because they can't get shoes. But listen, man, I entered 2 minutes after I entered for the LeBron 7 MVP. I entered at 9:02. I just picked a random size, and I somehow got them. Now, that's just pure luck. I said I went for these because I knew I could make a little money, and why not make $100 by clicking a button in 5 seconds? So, yeah. So I don't want to hear about it, how like, oh, I couldn't get shoes because resellers. Like, dude, I entered 2 minutes, so don't be complaining. But anyways, with that out of the way, let's just get right into it. Red Air Jordan 1 box. Now they went back to the Fearless box, which I thought was interesting. So usually the Air Jordan 1s come in the black box, but this is the Fearless box, which means it's red. 8.5 women's, which is a 7 men's. That's the size I got. So if you're that size, feel free to hit me up. Maybe we could work out a deal, and I can get these out to you ASAP. And it is the women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, like I said. White, black, Aurora green. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Retail was $170. And bang, bang, here they are. The Air Jordan 1 High OG women's tie-dye. That is a long-ass name. But yes, take a good look at this beautiful shoe. Now, I will have to say, at first, like when I saw images of the shoe online, wasn't the biggest fan. I'm not really like the biggest fan of Jordan 1s anymore. I mean, I like the style. I just think they're oversaturated. And I feel like that's like the only shoe that people really care about are the Air Jordan 1s, when there's so many other Jordan retros in the line. But the ones get all the attention. I just think these are so easy to wear. And I think all like the new beginner sneakerheads flock to Yeezy 350 V2s. And they flock to Air Jordan 1s. This is like the beginner Air Jordan shoe. I mean, I know it's the first one, but like for people getting the shoes, because this is so easy to style and wear, it's just a beginner shoe. And that's no offense taken if you just got in the shoes, but that's just how I see it. But anyways, I was actually surprised when I got these in hand. They definitely pop a lot more. Now, something interesting about these is that I just went to check Nike sneakers because I wanted to get the materials. So apparently this tie-dye is actually leather, and they dyed it. Now in hand, it feels like a suede nubuck. So I honestly thought when I first saw these in hand that they were suede nubuck, but went back and read that this is dyed leather. So that is pretty cool. I will have to say, like I said, it pops in person. It's a nice color. It's a nice tie-dye. The cool thing about tie-dye too is that all the shoes are going to be different, obviously due to the dyeing process. However, I'm just curious to see how these will hold up. As you can see, some of my dye is like a little faded. You're probably not going to see that. Hopefully the lighting is okay in here, but yeah, some of it's a little faded already. I'm assuming if you wear these over time, these are probably going to fade out. It'll be interesting to see what these look like if you actually wear them all the time. Another thing I did not like about these was the black toe box. I don't know why. I think it should have been white. It would just make more sense with the theme of the tie-dye shoe. I feel like there's too much black too. Like, I don't know. Something just looks off with it, in my opinion. I mean, if you like it, you like it. But in my opinion, I just don't know about these. But once again, that black toe box just reminds me of an Air Jordan 1 mid. Now, I have nothing against Jordan 1 mids, but it just reminds me of Jordan 1 mid. But like I said, I don't care if you rock mids. Do what you want to do. But that's just like a negative for me, especially on the OG high. Like I don't know. I just don't like the black toe box with the white mid panel. It just throws me off. And then another thing about the shoe that I thought was interesting is that this Nike AirTag is actually not leather. Now, I thought they were all going to be leather this year. That's why they raised the price $10 from $160 to $170. However, I guess that's not the case because this is like the standard Nike AirTag that we previously got in previous years instead of a leather tag. Personally, I don't have a preference because it's just a little tag. I don't really care. But just thought that was interesting. Black outsole, which I feel like is the appropriate color for this shoe. However, I could have seen them do like a navy or like a green to play off this tie-dye a little bit more. I don't know. I feel like there's just too much black on this shoe. Like, I feel like a tie-dye shoe shouldn't have like that much black. It should just be all colorful, but that's just my opinion. And then another bummer that I was really, really surprised about, I had to like double check, but there's no extra laces. Like, I feel like every Air Jordan 1 comes with at least one extra pair of laces. Like, they could have easily threw a white in, which would have made sense. Or, once again, they could have played off, like, some of this tie-dye and give you, like, a green or, like, aqua colored lace. I don't know, but it's kind of a bummer for the ladies out there. They didn't give you no extra laces. So, yeah, that kind of sucks. But overall, the material feels pretty good. I mean, the leather feels good. I have no complaints. It's a well-put-together shoe. There's really not a lot of flaws on here. Besides, like, I don't know, some of this tie-dye feels a little faded already. Like, on this part, too. You guys probably won't be able to see that, but it just looks a little faded. But, I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. And like I said, if you wear them, they're probably going to fade anyway. So, no big deal. But overall, I mean, not a bad shoe. Even if they did, like, well, I guess they did come in my size, but my size is at, like, $400. I would never pay $400 for these. But I probably wouldn't even keep these if they were my size just because... I don't know. I just don't really like them. That's just my opinion. But hey, don't let me change your mind if you really like these. Like these are a great summer shoe. It's just like it's not really my wave. So don't. Like I said, if you like them, you like them. Resale price on these real quick. I think these are gonna shoot through the moon over time, like all Air Jordan 1s do. Especially this is like a unique color. I will say that. So definitely, if you're looking to pick these up, I would definitely buy them right now because in a year from now, these are probably going to be $400. And sizing, before we end the video, I go true to size on all my Air Jordan 1s. I'm assuming these are the same. So if you've never bought a Jordan 1 before, go true to size. You should be A-okay. But yeah, overall, I got to give these like a 5.8 out of 10. I mean, nice materials on the shoe. I don't know, man. I'm just not feeling this color. I'm kind of disappointed with the extra laces. I just felt like it could have been executed better. I felt like they could have done a better Air Jordan 1 tie-dye, especially for the women. I think they could have done a better job. I'm not saying it's bad, but when I hear tie-dye Air Jordan 1, I don't know. I'm just thinking of something else. I don't know what it is. I don't design shoes, but like I said, 5.8 out of 10. But if you like it, I love it. And yeah, that's going to be my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I actually got the Air Jordan 14 Toros coming in. Another sneakers dub. Another shoe that was hard to get. And yeah, Jordan brand is been coming out with so much stuff this month. It's going to be crazy. But yeah, I'll have that video probably Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.